Welcome to PlatoForms. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your online form to Slack for real-time submission notifications. What's Slack integration? It's a way to get immediate updates in your Slack workspace when someone submits your online form. It's great for staying informed. Here's how. Go to your dashboard and pick the form to integrate. Click the Settings gear in the top right corner, then choose an integration. In the pop-up, find the Slack logo. Click Add to Slack. Then, choose your workspace, grant permissions, and hit Save to activate. Now you can customize your Slack messages. Select the notification destination from the Send Message to drop-down menu. Use hashtag for channels and at for direct messages. For instance, if you pick hashtag channel A, notifications will go there. If you choose at employee A will receive the notification. Don't forget to add a title to your message. Optionally, select the form data to include in the Slack message by clicking Change Fields. Add buttons to the Slack message, like one to download the PDF or edit the submission, as needed. After you've done the customizations, click Send Test to check how it all works. If everything looks good, save your changes. Now, whenever someone submits your form, a Slack message will appear in your chosen channel or direct message. It's that simple. For any questions or step-by-step guidance, visit our user documentation. Give it a try and enjoy staying updated with instant submission notifications through Slack. Thanks for using PlatoForms.